3 months after Duncanville Police raided 2 CBD shops, there are no charges, there are no arrests, and there are no specific answers as to why they're still holding on to $100,000 worth of cash and merchandise. The business owner wants everything back. But as Andrea Lucia is about to explain, it's not that easy.
They busted in the door rather than use the key on it.
The door to Amy Wuzwa's office is still broken. Her case of CBD products is still not fully restocked.
We were scared that they might just come back and do it again.
It's been nearly 3 months since Duncanville Police raided her 2 tobacco shops, and there have been no arrests, no charges, and no sign of the items they seized.
Everything that was related to the CBD products, anything that was CBD, they took it, claiming it was marijuana. They took all of the cell phones from everybody in the store, including my younger son, and they took even the money from the employees that in their pockets at the time.
In all, Wuzwa's estimates she lost about $100,000 in cash and assets. But the narcotics case against her appears to be falling apart. Cannabis laws are changing, and the Dallas County District Attorney's Office told us while the police did not actually file any case, we indicated we would not prosecute these materials as marijuana. Duncanville Police also filed a civil forfeiture case to be able to keep $11,841 in cash and 2 handguns seized in the raid. But a judge dismissed the case in April at the request of prosecutors. The police department maintains, though, it still has a current and ongoing investigation, and that evidence seized will be retained until completion of the investigatory process.
I'm not sure exactly what the police department is investigating here. The fact that they've dropped the civil forfeiture case that is a much, much lower standard doesn't necessarily bode too well for the criminal case, to the extent there ever is going to be a criminal case, and at this point, that's doubtful.
Civil attorney Chad Rubach says the only way to check police authority and force them to return possessions is to sue them and win in civil court. Otherwise,
as long as the police can say with a straight face, we're doing an investigation, they can keep the stuff.
Well, while we don't know what Duncanville Police are investigating now, we do know when they obtained the original search warrant, they argued that CBD oil like this is illegal to possess and to sell. They cited the Texas Controlled Substances Act. But the very day of the raid, the state removed hemp, which CBD comes from its list of controlled substances. And since then, lawmakers have passed a law establishing it as legal.
Well, it seems like there needs to be more answers here. I know you tried at least to reach a number of people about this. Do you get any answers from anybody?
Not really. I spoke to the city's spokesperson. I spoke to the mayor. I spoke to some council members. All of them deferred to the police department's assertion that it has an ongoing investigation. And the city's spokesperson told me that it cannot release any more information on the investigation or it would jeopardize its case.
Okay. Andrea Lucia, thanks for the answers.